everybody. Today we're in a Ford Bronco. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855783. Now there are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue covering here and here. You want to make sure you peel off that covering before you attach the mount onto the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second is always to make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach into two different seams. The first is underneath this gray piece of the trim here. Basically, there's a seam where this piece meets the black piece under here next to the glove box, and we're going to slide the lower lip of the mount into that seam. The second seam is up here, and it's between this front piece of the dash and this inner piece of plastic surrounding the vent knob here, so right in there. So we're going to start with the lower seam first. We're going to insert this lip, make sure it goes in straight into that seam, and then you rotate the mount so that lip will go behind the dash panel. Once you get it rotated up, you just need to press until this upper lip snaps into the seam here. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.